Okay, so continuing on here. Now I've got lots of words on here and it is a little bit messy. So I'm going to try to cover up as many of those words as I can so that they don't get in my way. Okay, so now the best thing was. Now I need to make sure that I keep going. I'm not going to go to a new line. We are writing a paragraph and our paragraph has to stay together as one thing and we keep going until the end of the line. So we are going to do a finger space and then I'm going to put the word the here because I have enough room. So the, and then go down to the next one. Best thing, finger space, thing, was, so that was my first one. And we're trying to be as neat as we can with our writing. Playing in the lake and. So I'm going to pause and I'm going to copy that down first and then I'll show you what I do next. Okay, so here is my next sentence. I just finished that part of it. I got the word and done. I'm going to move myself over here because I'm using my other computer. All right, so I've got the word and done. And now I need to slide it down and get more words. So I'm only going to slide down those words going on the slides. So I'm going to do that next and keep writing. Okay, so I got all the way to slides done. Now I slide it down for every day. And I'm going to finish it up with every day. Every finger space day. Don't forget your period. All right, so I've got number 1 done. I've got the first box done. So now I'm going to keep going. So my next one, and I'm going to have to move my paper up. We have to do some shifting, right? The next one, I'm going to try to cover up as much as I can, is also we got an ice cream. So also, comma, I'm going to go ahead and do got an ice cream every day, and I'm going to keep going right here. I'm going to start my also right after the period. Also, comma. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I finished with every day, and I need to slide down and get my last part, at the snack shack. So now I need to put that on the bottom line. So I'm going to do that. And I ran out of room. Did you notice I ran out of room here? So I'm going to go to the next line. You can barely see it because I'm running out of space here on my camera. Okay, so now I've got it down here where I finished up with Snack Shack, and I'm running out of room to show you using my paper here. But now I need to go down to lastly. So I'm going to, now it's getting a little bit hard for me to do this. So what I might do is I might go like this and just cover up all those words on top now. Now I'm looking right here. Lastly, we played games together. That's what I'm looking for now. Now I think I'm only going to be able to fit lastly right here. So capital lastly. And then what happens is I need to go to my second piece of paper. So I'm going to get my another piece of paper and I'm going to put it just like I wanted to do up here. So now I've got more room. So lastly, now I need to put we played games together. All right, ta-da, there it is. Now, I'm not done with that sentence. You got to be very careful not to forget to slide it down. I've got 2 more words to put on there. So now I need to put every night. Every night. Period. All right, now I'm done with all of the green. You notice I'm going back to orange now. Now you're still sticking with pencil. You got to make sure to finish with orange. I can't tell you how many times first graders leave the last sentence off. They forget to do it. They get so excited about what they're talking about and then they stop. Okay, you cannot forget the bottom bun. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to push this up so that I can see it, and I'm going to cover up that first part. All right, so it says, it was so much fun when we went to. So I'm going to start with it was so much fun. Finger space. Now remember, I'm not starting a new line. This is a paragraph and everything has to keep going until we're all done. So I'm going to write this last one here and I'll see you in a second. All right, so here we go. I finished that part, but I'm not done yet. It was so much fun when we went to, and then I have to finish with Twain Hart with an exclamation. Now remember, if it has a capital because it's the name of a place, You got to make sure you have that capital on there. All right, so that's the end of my story with that exclamation mark. So let's just look at what I've got. So here we go. This is my whole story. You can see that I've got my top bun, I've got my middle details, and I've got my bottom bun. Now remember, yours is going to be all pencil, but don't forget to do all of the parts. So now it's going to be your turn to take this paper, and you need to use your picture box just like I did, and copy your words from here onto here in your best handwriting possible, okay? Very nice and neat, finger spacing, periods and capitals, but it has to be your writing. You can't have your moms and dads check it. It has to be your writing because you have to learn to do this, okay? I need to know if you're able to do it on your own. So if moms and dads come and check it, then I don't know if you're developing that skill or not all by yourself. Okay, so please make sure you do it. Now, one last thing you have to do before you can take a picture and upload it is put your picture on it. So remember that the one rule that we have about these picture boxes is that you have to fill in the entire box with pictures, details, and colors, okay? And remember, your picture needs to match what you're writing about. So since this is about my trip to Twainhart and it was about all those things that I did at Twainhart, my picture has to be about Twainhart. So here is my picture. I did it on another piece and I'm just going to add it here at the end here so that you can see. So this is a picture of Twainhart. Okay, we've got all the sand right here. We've got this little rock over here. There's a bridge to get over there. These are the two slides that I was talking about. We were swimming, right? There's sand castles, all of the things. There's trees over here with cabins. So I added lots of details and I filled up the whole box. Okay, so make sure that you are filling up the whole box. It's not okay just to do a stick person or a dot and then say you're done. And remember, we're first graders, so we color like first graders. We don't just scribble scratch, okay? All right, everybody. So today what you're taking a picture of, and I want you to try to take a really clear picture so that I can really read it. Some of the pictures have been a little far away and I can't read the words. So make sure it's a really good picture. Phones are the best. Take a picture of this page, take a picture of this page, however many pages you have, and then upload that to the Google Classroom so that I can read it. All right, everybody, that's it for today. And I will see you next time. Bye.